DNA code can be sold by sites like Ants, released 1987, directed by John Adam. Your DNA code can be sold by sites like Ancestry.com. Amazon's facial recognition could be used for mass surveillance. Amazon's facial recognition could be used for mass surveillance. Thoughts are changing the way opinions are formed online. Thoughts are changing the way opinions are formed online. Russia may be designing a new type of nuke that could wipe out entire coastal cities. Ransomware can be used to shut down critical services. Ransomware can be used to shut down critical services. Drones might actually be a serious problem. Killer drones might actually be a serious problem. People are learning how to hack cars. People are learning how to hack cars. Your smart house is probably spying on you.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.